Hello and welcome to this course on machine learning with Scikit-Learn. The goal of this course is to present ways to apply machine learning techniques on real-world problems. Throughout the tutorial, we will build different machine learning models that will cover some of the most popular real-world problems. Each section focuses on a specific dataset and uses different machine learning algorithms. My name is Nikola Živković and I will be your guide. I'm a software developer with over 7 years of experience in the industry. I earned my master's degree in computer science from the University of Novi Sad in 2011, but by then I was already working for several companies. At the moment I am the team lead in Vega IT sourcing from Novi Sad. During this time span, I worked on large enterprise systems as well as on smaller web projects. Also, I was a guest lecturer at the University of Novi Sad, and I already have 2 courses published by Pact Publishing, which you can also check out. You can read some of my articles on my blog, rubikscode.net, or follow me on Twitter using displayed handle. So, let's see what we will learn in this course. First, we will use the simplest regression algorithm, multiple linear regression, on the wine quality dataset, and we will predict wine quality using this algorithm. Then, we will predict bike sharing demands using decision trees and random forest regression. After that, in the third section, we will make some heart disease predictions with support vector machines. In fourth section, we will predict poker hand using k-means clustering. And in final section, we will understand buying behavior using hierarchical clustering. There are some prerequisites to this course. You will get the most value from this course if you are already familiar with the concepts of Python language. It is sort of a must, and it is necessary for you to know at least basics of this language. Details about Python language will not be explored. You might want to get on board with that before starting this course. We will use Spider IDE, and in general it is necessary for you to know how to work with it as well. I choose this IDE because it is quite useful for presentations. If you have some experience with machine learning, this course will be easier for you, but if you don't, have no worries. In each section we will go into details about algorithm that we will use to solve certain problem. Okay, that will be all. Thank you for choosing this course, so let's start with the lectures, and see you in the next video.